People, welcome to Unique Studio Host. Today, I want to show you how you can make a text glow in PixelLab. I have two amazing tricks you can begin to use to make your text glow, and the first one is how you can create something like this using PixelLab just to make your text glow and bubble and bloom in PixelLab. Oh, kindly stay true to the end of this video to learn the two tricks I want to show you how you can make a text glow. If you are new to the channel, like this video now, subscribe to that channel now, click on that subscribe button now, because there are a lot of valuable content coming your way, and you can also go through the channel. There are a lot of valuable video tutorials on the graphic design that is going to help you as a graphic designer. So just go through the channel now and you will know everything I've been talking about. So without further ado, and I don't want to waste your time, let's get right into how we can make our text glow. So now, first thing first, make sure you just open your PixelLab. So this is my PixelLab right over here now. So I'll open my PixelLab. This is it right over here. So let me delete all this stuff. Let me start from scratch and let me show you everything from scratch now. So let's say this is my default background in PixelLab, and the first way you can make your text glow when it has a plain background. I will show you how you can make your text glow when it has a one color background or a plain background, and also show you how you can make a text also glow when it has a multicolor background. So now let's get right into the first one, how we can make the background a single background text glow. Now the first thing first, we are dealing with text, so you can either use this A down here or use this A at the top and just click on text. So let me just write here. Let me write glow like this. Glow, I want to make a text glow. Let's do this as an example. So just make the text a little big. Let me change the font. I don't like this guy. Let me change the font now, and let me use for something. Okay, let me use this guy, Bebas. Yeah, I love this guy. He's an amazing guy. So this is how you can make a text glow when it has a plain background, and it will make you feel like there's a light coming from the background. So when you have your text, make sure you select the exact color you want to use. So let me just look for a color. Okay, let me see if I want to use this yellow like this. I want to use this yellow now. So now this is how I will make the text to glow. So stay true to this video, watch every part now. So the first thing first, I will go over to my stroke, stroke, enable the stroke now. So remember, it has a default color, so you have to select a color that is different. So it's either you select a color that is going with the background or go with the color that is the text. So because we are working with, we want to make it glow, so I'll choose the color that is going with the background, which is white color like this. So you will soon get it now. So when I have that now, the next thing now is to go over to shadow. Now, just select the background color. So the text is not yet coming out here now. So this is the final phase of this video. Go over to this inner shadow. Remember, these are the three tools we are using. We are using this stroke, this shadow, and this inner shadow. So when you go to that inner shadow, there's where the finishing point is. So when you enable the inner shadow, you will have this like this now. And our advice to go with the color that is the background. Color that is the background. Our advice will go with that color. And when you have this, that you begin to see it like this now. Can you see it now? Can you see how the text is glowing? So let me go right here now. Let me try to use another color. Let me see what is going to bring out. Okay, can we see the difference now? Okay, this is right over without the inner shadow, with the inner shadow. So make sure you are familiar with this inner shadow. It will really help you, to make your text glow. Can you see the difference? Let me show you the difference now. Let me copy and let me close all this guy now, so you can see the difference of what we just did. So now remove the shadow on this now. So this is the difference of this is one with the glow, and this is the second one without glow. Can you see the difference now? Can you see that this one is having this first one is having a lightning part coming from every angle, and this one is just plain. So with this, you can begin to make your design attractive when you begin to incorporate this into your next design project. And into the second trick I want to show you on how you can use it on a background that has multicolor. Let me delete this right over here. Let me bring in a background that we can work with, and that's going to help us. Let me see. Let's see if we can work with this guy now. Let me just put this now. Let's try to use this guy. Let's say I'm working on a design, and this is the background I want to use. Let me send to back. This is the background I want to use. For example, now let me show you how I will make this text glow. Let me say, okay, I think this color is also going with the background. So let me leave this color here now. So go over to your A text. We want to edit now. So we'll be using all those three tools I showed you earlier, which is the first one, which is this stroke. This editing thing always work mostly on on text with background. So it's either you use a white color. Can you see now when we add the white color, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? So if you remove the white stroke, if you remove the stroke, can you see that has removed? So just put it like this now. The next one is to go over to shadow, and select a color that is going with the text. A color that is going with the text. So I will advise to go for yellow, and this is the yellow right here now. And the inner shadow is not really necessary the inner shadow is not really necessary when you are working with background that has multicolor just like this, but you can just put it a try and it will also help to enhance. So when you put the inner shadow, just leave it at this yellow now. So now we go back to this stroke and let's see if we change the color to yellow. Okay, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference now? Can you see the difference? Look, let me go back to shadow again, and let's do more of so go back to this outer shadow. So when you go to the outer shadow, can you see what it has done to it? So this is where you just have to walk around. So increase the shadow, increase it. So if you like, you can enable the outer shadow or disable it. So this is how you can make a text glow in PixelLab. So I've been able to show you how you can make a text glow in PixelLab, how you can use it on a plain or on a single color background, and how you can use it on a multicolor background. So this is the end of today's video tutorial guide. If you find this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video. See you at the next video. Bye bye.